Let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5, Subject English Poetry, Topic Lesson number 25, The Man in the Moon. Hello students. Today, let us meet a man in the moon. I know you all are so excited. Long ago, on July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. He and Aldrin walked around the moon for 3 hours. Our astronaut Rakesh Sharma is the first Indian who went on the moon. But here in our poem, it is neither Neil Armstrong nor Rakesh Sharma. Then who is there on the moon? Who is he sailing his ship? Let's see. To get to know him, let me recite the poem first. The title of the poem is The Man in the Moon. The man in the moon, as he sails the sky, is a very remarkable skipper. But he made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. Dipper means a container for taking out water. Remarkable skipper, extraordinary captain of the ship. Let me move on to the second stanza. He dipped right out of the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. The big bear growled and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. Let me move on once more to the first stanza. The man in the moon, as he sails in the sky, is a very remarkable skipper. But he made a mistake when he tried to take a drink of milk from the dipper. He dipped right out of the Milky Way and slowly and carefully filled it. The big bear growled and the little bear howled and frightened him so that he spilled it. Let us understand the lines of the poem and let us come to know why the man spilled the milk. The poet is very imaginative in this poem because one cannot sail the ship in the sky, and he makes up his own story about the man in the moon. He says that the man in the moon is a very unusual and extraordinary captain of his boat which he sails in the sky. But he makes a mistake when he tries to take a drink of milk from the dipper. I told you children, dipper means a container to take out the water. He puts his container in the Milky Way and slowly and carefully fills it. At this time, when he was filling the milk, the big bear growled and the little bear howled. This frightened the man so much that he spilled the milk. What is the Milky Way, children? Yes, it is the band of light consisting of stars. So, how can the man take the milk from the Milky Way? So funny, no? We know there is no life on the moon. How the skipper found the bears there? Oh, this is an imaginary poem. Anything can happen, and we will read it again and again and enjoy it. Let us learn some meanings of the difficult words of this poem. Remarkable means extraordinary or unusual or surprising. Skipper, captain of a ship or a boat. Dipper, children, in this lesson, dipper has got two meanings. The first one I told you, it is the container for taking out water. But here, the poet has referred two constellations called Little Dipper and Big Dipper. He referred in the poem as Little Bear and Big Bear. Next word, dipped. Put or let something down quickly or briefly into a liquid. Milky Way, the band of light consisting of stars that spreads across the sky at night. Children, have you all enjoyed the antics of the captain? You all have enjoyed, but he was frightened. Let's meet again. Thank you. Take care.